Welcome student. Rotational spectra of rigid rotator, or show that rotational lines in the microwave spectra are equispace, or show that for microwave spectra nu bar is equals to 2bj, where b is rotational constant, j is rotational quantum number. In this way question may be asked, but the answer is one and same, which we are going to see. Now ये प्रश्न में अपने को समझ में आया कि रोटेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा रिजिड रोटेटर का एक्सप्लेन करो इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेरिवेशन, या तो फिर शो करो कि रोटेशनल लाइंस रोटेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा के इक्विस्पेस होते हैं, या तो फिर शो करो वेव नंबर इन द रोटेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा दैट इज न्यू बार इज इक्वल्स टू 2bj. Now for this we must know something before answer, that if we consider rotational spectra, generally rotational spectra is absorption spectra. Let me assume it is lower rotational quantum number j dash and it is upper j, and you know for such a transition from lower j dash to upper j in rotational spectra, then you know here the selection rule delta j equals to +1 is followed, because it is absorption microwave or rotational spectra. Okay, now here we have to derive expression for rotational spectra from this assignment. Now energy of diatomic rigid rotator is given by Ej is equals to h square upon 8 pi square I j into j plus 1 so many joules. It is the general formula for energy of rotation of a rigid rotator, where h is Planck's constant, r is the moment of inertia of that diatomic species, j is the rotational quantum number, and j plus 1 is above rotational quantum number or upper quantum number. J, here we consider j dash to j, here j to j plus 1, means this is j, then this will be j plus 1, because allowed transition or selection rule is only delta j equals to +1. Here initially we consider j, then it will be j dash to j, or we may write in this way j to j plus 1. Okay, this is upper, this is lower. Now here this is the energy of rotation. Now here j is the rotational quantum number and it varies from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now suppose the molecule absorb energy from microwave region and transition takes place from lower energy rotational energy level j dash to upper j, then energy of such a molecule in lower energy level is given by Ej dash is equals to h square upon 8 pi square I j dash into j dash plus 1 so many joules. Okay, now similarly energy of molecule in upper energy level is given by Ej is equals to h square upon 8 pi square I j into j plus 1 so many joules. Now in order to calculate the amount of energy absorbed or energy required for the transition, then it will be delta E of rotation is equals to energy of higher, that is Ej, minus energy of lower, that is Ej dash, and put these values h square upon 8 pi square I j into j plus 1 minus s square upon 8 pi square I j dash into j dash plus 1. Further solve it. Delta E of rotation is equals to, now from this two, s square upon 8 pi square I is common, then j into j plus 1 minus j dash into j dash plus 1. Now further if we solve it, then you will get what? See, delta E of rotation is equals to s square upon 8 pi square I remains as it is. This is j multiplied by j, it will be j square, okay, plus j, then minus j dash square minus j dash. Okay, after solving this, multiplied by j dash here, multiplied by j here. Now s square upon 8 pi square I remains as it is. J square minus j dash square, okay, like terms collected together, then j minus j dash. Again further if we solve it, how this equation becomes? Now after solving further, simple mathematics is there. Again s square upon 8 pi square I remains as it is. A square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b plus j minus j dash remains as it is. Now from all this it is common. What is common? There is j minus j dash, j minus j dash common in the bracket, j plus j dash plus 1. Okay, now this is s square upon 8 pi square I. Again you know j delta j is equals to plus 1, means j minus j dash is equals to 1 or plus 1. That's why j dash is equals to, from this, j minus 1. Okay, means you know, what you know before this? You must know according to selection rule. What is selection rule? Delta j is equals to plus 1 because absorption spectra. That's why j minus j dash equals to 1. This implies j dash is equals to j minus 1. Now put this value j minus j dash as 1. Okay. Then what is the value of j dash? J remains as it is plus j dash equals to j minus 1. J minus 1. This plus 1 remains as it is. Okay. Then plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Okay. Further, what happens? Delta E of rotation is equals to s square upon 8 pi square I. Then j plus j means 2j. Now here this is energy in joule, but in order to convert this energy from joule to centimeter inverse, what we have to do? Divide throughout by SC. Divide by SC. क्यों SC से divide किया ये equation को? joule में energy है ये. We have to convert it into centimeter inverse. That's why delta E upon HC is equals to h square upon 8 pi square I into HC into 2j. Okay. Now this one h cancel with this h. Then again further, if you have to solve this, then there is a simple mathematics. Now see, what is there? Delta E. You know E equals to h nu. That's why HC. Okay. Then is equals to h upon 8 pi square IC into 2j. Now this h cancel with this h. Nu equals to c by lambda. Okay. That's why c upon lambda into h. This c remains as it is, but nu equals to c upon lambda. H upon 8 pi square I into C into 2j. Again C can cancel. 1 upon lambda is equals to h upon 8 pi square IC into 2j. Now this 1 upon lambda is nothing but nu bar, that is wave number, h upon 8 pi square I into C into 2j. But this is a rotational constant B, that's why nu bar equals to B into 2j, and it is nothing but nu bar equals to 2bj, which is mathematical expression which shows that rotational lines in the rotational spectra are equispaced. समझ में आया? This is our final answer. Simple mathematics is there, but beside this you must know something, that how these lines are equispaced. See, you consider, यहाँ पर अपने डेरिवेशन खत्म हुआ, लेकिन अपने को कुछ बातें जो अपन ने मैथमेटिकली बोला है वो रोटेशनल एनर्जी लेवल्स वगैरह अपन ग्राफ के फॉर्म में भी दिखा सकते हैं. नाउ यू नो EJ is equals to h square upon 8 pi square I j into j plus 1. Okay. Now if it convert into centimeter inverse, then it will be nu bar is equals to B to Bj. Okay. Now if j equals to 0, okay, then and if it is converted into this, it will be epsilon j. Then epsilon j is equals to, j equals to 0 means it will be 0. That is Ej means E0. Similarly, if j equals to 1, then it will be epsilon 1 is equals to, what is 1? Here epsilon 1 means j equals to 1. J equals to 1 means it will be 2b. It is in centimeter inverse. Okay. If j equals to 2, then epsilon 2 is equals to 2 to the 4, 4b, so many centimeter inverse. Means if we put these values, suppose this is epsilon 1, then it will be j equals to 1. For this, what is the value of energy? It will be 2b. This will be 2b. Okay, this is j equals to 0. And here it will be 2b. Then above this, if j equals to 1, then it will be epsilon 0 is 0, then epsilon 1 for it will be 2b. Okay. Then for epsilon 2 it will be 4b, means 2b plus 2b it will be 4b. Okay, for j equals to 2, and this will be 4b, means these lines are equispaced. Are you getting clear? Now here if we calculate a wave number, if we calculate a relationship between wave number and rotational constant, okay, this is rotational constant, which B, this is rotational quantum number, then from this it is clear that the rotational lines in the rotational spectra are equispaced. ये पता होने के लिए, ये डेरिवेशन करने के लिए अपने को सिर्फ 2-3 बातें पता होना. रोटेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा में रोटेशनल लाइंस इक्विस्पेस है. In order to show that, you must know the general equation. Ej equals to s square upon 8 pi square I j into j plus 1. J lower rotational quantum number, j plus 1 upper. If there is absorption, then it transitions from lower to upper. Then the energy difference is given by delta E of rotation is equals to energy of upper minus energy of lower. That's why h square upon 8 pi square I j into j plus 1 minus h dash square upon 8 pi square I j dash into j dash plus 1. And finally it will be transferred from joule to centimeter inverse. How? Dividing throughout by hc. Okay, then you will get nu bar equals to 2bj. This is rotational spectrum.